Impala SS has always held a special place in the pantheon of American performance sedans, with a lineage that stretches back to the muscle car era. For 2026, Chevrolet has brought the Impala SS back with a bold vision, combining full-size comfort with rear-wheel drive dynamics and aggressive power, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS immediately commands attention with a design that's both stately and aggressive. Chevrolet has clearly drawn inspiration from both the classic Impalas of the 1960s and the sleeper sedan ethos of the 1990s SS models, merging them into a sleek, muscular, and modern silhouette. Front fascia, dominated by a wide, blacked-out grille with honeycomb mesh and an illuminated Chevy bow tie emblem at its center. Slim, full LED headlights with DRLs give it a sharp, piercing gaze. Air intakes below the bumper are functional and aggressive, adding a performance edge. Rear end, quad exhaust outlets, a subtle rear diffuser, LED tail lamps with a smoked finish, and an SS badge complete the performance look. A trunk lip spoiler adds aerodynamic function without compromising the Impala's elegant rear. The heart of the 2026 Impala SS lies in its performance. This is not just a cosmetic package. Chevrolet has given the new Impala SS a true high-performance engine and drivetrain setup to deliver thrilling power and dynamic control. Engine, 6.2-liter LT2 V8, naturally aspirated. Output, 490 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, standard. 510 HP with optional SS Track Pack transmission. 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters and performance-tuned software. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive. Standard. Optional performance-tuned all-wheel drive for added traction. This V8 is derived from the Corvette Stingray's LT2, slightly detuned but tuned for broader torque delivery. Perfect for full-size sedan dynamics. A hybridized version with mild hybrid boost, e-torque system, is expected later in the model year. Step inside the 2026 Impala SS, and you're greeted with a blend of traditional American luxury and cutting-edge performance design. Materials are premium, the cabin is quiet, and every detail feels engineered to enhance the driving experience. Seats, SS-specific performance seats with integrated headrests, contrast stitching, and heating, cooling. Premium leather with suede inserts and red or gray accents. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is a bold, confident return to form. In an era where electrification and downsizing dominate the headlines, Chevy has carved out a niche for driving enthusiasts who still want a big, fast V8-powered sedan with attitude.